Okay, today we are going to witness the marvels of Japanese beverage technology. So here we have the vending machine. This is mostly coffee and cocoa. You can see here, for example, this is black with sugar, with cream, with sugar and cream. So you can choose one of those. Okay. Put the money in there. Okay, the blue ones are hot beverages and blue is cold and red is hot. I'm going to choose the ice cafe au lait with sugar. Okay, there is the countdown to beverageness. Ice. And it opens automatically. Take that out. Ice. And get my change.